Here we go.
Texas Trebuchet is off. That was some good birds there. Yesterday they had 709 feet. Will they beat that today?
It's high. A lot of hang time.
Can you get your pin angle a little bit more?
I made multiple pin angle, timing prop.
Bring your pin angle.
I'm gonna have to come forward more.
You'll get another 200 feet.
And I can probably put another 4 inches of sling length.
Just leave your pin. Just change pin angle for now. Just change pin angle for now.
I got more
One
shots.
at a time. One at a time.
Yep. Yo, yo.
One wouldn't have done it.
1,700 feet.
Yeah.
Look at all that. Look at all those people. There's thousands of people here. It's Daniel. 782. 782. 782. 782. What?
Their best this weekend.
I was saying 900, and we are right there. We're right there.
Less twisty?
Oh wait.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh,
Totally.
we took the twist out before.
I put
Working hard.
I put this in, and it's boxed out, actually screwed to the timing prop.
Oh, I see.
And then there's another one, and then another one is boxed out. 782.
Thanks, Matt.
That's secured third spot for sure. You want to watch 4G? Let's watch 4G.
We're hoping for over 1,700 on this one. This guy spends around 100 man hours a year on this hobby. Safety is off. 4G is ready for launch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And
She stayed up. She stayed up, Chris.
That's got to be some 5 miles per hour there.
Oh, she's going. Oh, yeah.
Bam.
Over the fence.
That was good. That was over 1,500 for sure.
That's over 1,700 feet, which will be
17er.
yesterday.
Nice.